Hello and welcome to Website Speedy tutorial on how to eliminate render blocking issues. Website Speedy is a DIY instant website speed optimization tool built to optimize your website performance without the need of a developer. Website Speedy eliminates render blocking resources that significantly impact both the perceived and actual load times. Click on Get Started Free to create an account and fill in the sign-up form. Website Speedy comes up with 4 plans. You can choose one according to your website traffic. Here I am demonstrating you by selecting our forever free plan. Website Speedy checks the current core web vital score of your website using Google Page Speed Insights API. In the dashboard, you can see current speed of your website. Add more websites, check Help Center for instructions, or book an appointment for any help required. Now let's install Website Speedy. Navigate to install Website Speedy in left sidebar. You can boost your website speed just by eliminating render blocking issues by following these simple steps. In the first step, to get started, you need to enter URLs of 3 important pages from your website. We will use these 3 pages for reporting purposes. You can use the button on the right to check current speed. We can do this later too, as explained in FAQ section. For now, we will proceed with improving speed right away. Click on Boost Speed Now button. I am also going to manually check the speed on mobile devices without our tool first, so we can match the updated speed and score with it. Afterwards, we will use Google Page Speed Insights for this. Let's get back to Speedy. Now here in step 2, we can see the speed enhancement script, which is generated specifically for your website. Add this script code before closing the head tag in your website header. You can see the instruction for this specific to your platform by clicking this button in middle 2. For now, click to copy. Go to Website Dashboard, hover to Website, select the website pages and edit, navigate to Settings, go to Advanced and paste script in head HTML and update. Once you add the script, click Verify and to proceed to step 3. Let's check the updated speed here of selected page, and let's check speed and render blocking elements on Google Page Speed Insights to see the difference. And here you can compare old and new speed by adding no speed parameter and end of URL. That's it. You've successfully used Website Speedy to enhance your website speed easily and eliminated render blocking elements. In sidebar, you can click on Add Site to add your another website. I would recommend you go through the FAQs on the right to understand so basic details about how our tool works and how you can check old speed and your website with no speedy tag. That's all for now. Remember, a faster website means a better user experience and potentially higher search engine rankings. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more tips and guides, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates.